Hello, today I'm in Kia Picanto. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got media panel, thanks to which we can increase or decrease radio volume, change radio station, change radio source, mute the volume, answer and end the call. On the right side, we've got the panel thanks to which we can manage speedometer display. Also, we can reset trip info. Of course, if you press right here, you will use the horn. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.